So you got the Maono PD100 and you love the way it sounds because it sounds great. And you like the way it looks because it looks okay, but the color, just a flat black, just isn't doing it for you. Let's fix that. What's up everybody, welcome back to the Retro Review. I am the Bearded Geek and I have yet another customization coming your way. I have the PD100X right here and I love the way this thing sounds. I like the way that it looks, but I'm not so sure if I like it black on black. So what I want to do is I want to actually chrome this out or give it a chrome look and leave the black grill. I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, here we have the PD100 painted all white. I think that this looks really good like this. However, I'm going to take some graphite powder and I'm going to try to give it a chrome look. I'm going to take a paintbrush and I'm going to dip it into the powder and sort of brush it on, and then I'm just going to take a paper towel and buff it and just buff. Hopefully that gives it a little bit of a chrome look. I'm not going to record these steps because that would ruin the final reveal, which is coming right now. And here we have the Maono PD100 hooked up. Man, this thing looks sharp. I love the dull chrome. Look, you can see my fingers in it. It looks great. I love the black and the chrome. I think this thing looks amazing. It already sounds amazing. Tell me what you think. How does it look to you down in the comments below? All right, that does it for this episode of Back to the Retro Review. I am the Bearded Geek, and remember, if I don't see you again, thank you for being a friend.